Alright, it is Monday, April 29th, 2019 at 2:04 p.m. Making this video quickly on the weather and some Twitter stuff later that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. Alright, getting some stuff from Mike's weather page. Here is the 120 hour snow accumulation. Here's where the expected snow accumulation is going to be the next 120 hours. Alright, let's take a look at the frost and freeze temperature line. This is where the freeze and frost is expected for Monday, April 29th. Alright, let's take a look here at weather.gov. There is some flash flood watches for central Oklahoma, parts of northern Texas, southeastern Kansas, and northwestern Missouri. There's also winter weather advisories for southwestern Wyoming and western Nebraska, for central Montana, Great Falls, and for northeastern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. Winter storm warning also for central Colorado and eastern Utah and northeastern Colorado here in the middle. There's also a red flag warning here for southeastern Arizona and southeastern New Mexico and extreme western El Paso, Texas. So this area right here has a red flag warning. Alright, let's go to the storm prediction. This is the 1-day convective outlook, and these are the areas that have from marginal to slight marginal risk of severe weather for April 29th. Alright, let's take a look quickly at the full screen radar. Here we have some rain in Flagstaff, Arizona, Phoenix, parts of Las Vegas. There is some snow in between Cheyenne and Denver, and some rain there. And there's also some rain and storms in Chicago, Detroit, and snow and rain in Michigan and Thunder Bay International Falls in Canada. Minnesota and parts of Canada here have snow and rain there. Alright. This is the forecast for Monday, April 29th to Tuesday, April 30th, and Wednesday, May 1st. These are a couple of days of just what the possibility of severe weather and rain likely in these areas. Alright. Here is a satellite image of the Caribbean. Right now, there's some rain happening off of Cuba and into the Dominican Republic area, off of the Florida Panhandle as well, right here in the Bahama areas. One thing that I find interesting as well, let me zoom in a little bit. This has nothing to do with the weather, but having to do with the Mandela effect. There's so many small islands right here off the coast of Florida there. There's tiny islands there, but it looks more like there's more islands. That's something that Dale Dufay and stuff with the Mandela effect have to do, like more land appearing where it's not supposed to be. But that's just some Mandela effect stuff. Let's go back to the weather. Here is the temperature, current temperatures. 80s in Georgia, Florida 84, 85. Louisiana 81 and 75, Texas 52 in the northern part, 80 and 70s in the lower part, California 54 in the northern part, 61 and 62 in the southern parts. So it's pretty much a bit warmer in the southern part of the United States and much cooler in the northern regions right now. 57 in Massachusetts, 52 and 40 in Maine, 64 in North Carolina, 68, a bit cooler here. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the forecast models. Here we go with the GFS models for the next couple of days. Just giving a quick scan. Some slight severe weather in the Texas region, but not for long. Some rain just going through most of the southeast. Some snow in the Montana region. That's like May 13, 14. Alright. let's take a look quickly here at my Twitter page. Oh, that's a big zoom of my face and my fiance. Alright. 2 weather systems will bring snow to the Rockies, Plains, and the nation's northern tier in the first half of the week, the Weather Channel says, as well as 3 days of more severe thunderstorms with locally flooding rain in the plains. Tuesday looks particularly active. Here, let's take a quick zoom here at the Dallas, Oklahoma City, Kansas. Likely impacts tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, and flooding. Rain. Possibility of it on Tuesday. That's what the Weather Channel says. Alright. Take a look here at when lightning strikes a tree. Just some fascinating stuff. Look at that fire in that tree. Just amazing. Alright. Next. Ooh, I was interested in pasta. They made a pizza with like pasta in it. They just put pasta on top of the pizza. It was like more carbs. Alright. Also, severe outlook for Monday. And weather here for the Texas, Oklahoma region. Alright. Browsing through. And then Chicago gets 2.5 inches of snow. Montana says, hold my beer. Here's 0.29 inches of snow. In Highwood, Montana, 18 inches. In Monarch, gusts of 64 mile per hour winds. Wow. Alright. Just browsing through the Twitter feed. Strange lights over Phoenix. April 26, 2019. Apparently there were some UFOs happening over Phoenix on April 26th. And a nice butterfly. And of course the outlook has risk again for Texas, Oklahoma. The enhanced risk Tuesday late afternoon. So Tuesday is looking to be a little bit active. And then here a meme of tornadoes and sprites. Then also finally has strengthened to a severe cyclone storm and likely become a severe cyclonic storm by Wednesday. Landfall is expected off the Odisha coast in India and Bangladesh late this week or weekend. And then also worldwide air traffic for 24 hours. Just take a look at this. This is what goes above our heads in the skies in 24 hours. Just planes just traveling all over. Very active planet. So weather and a lot of planes. And this is what I went outside, and while I was walking my dog Blue, excuse me, I happened to find this pretty blue egg, but it was eaten inside. I just took a picture of it. This tiny blue egg. Something you don't see every day. Just a random blue egg. Alright. And then of course the bouncing from Endgame to Winterfell. This is what it feels like. Just bouncing back and forth emotionally. Alright. And that's it for the video. Hopefully it did not bore you. I hope you guys like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thank you for coming on this roller coaster ride with me. See you next time. God bless.